today we've just come to Khon Kaen Geopark. Never been here before. Didn't even know it existed until I looked on the website. But it's a great little place. I'll show you around. It's not very big, but from here I'm going to go down to another place which is like an island. I don't know if it's an island on a lake. I haven't got a clue. But I've seen it and it said tourist attraction down the road, like, so I'm going to go from here, Khon Kaen Geopark, and then I'm going to go to that island. Right, so let's take a little walk around the woods. It's very well kept places. Dinosaurs all over the place in the woods. Beautiful. I keep saying beautiful all the time. I'm just playing out. How nice is this place though? I didn't even know this place existed, to tell you the truth. I didn't know it existed. I've heard of the geopark before, but I didn't think it was like this. I thought the geopark was something different as well. I didn't think it was all to do with dinosaurs. Obviously it is. So look at him. Oh, yes. Very nice. So we'll continue our little walk round the park. Such a nice area though, this. Well, I don't know, but I feel it's a really nice place to bring kids and everything. It's very nice. It's very well kept. It's great. I'm into a bit of dinosaurs myself. I like a bit of dinosaurs, but not live ones. These are okay. Yeah, very nice area this. Well, this place is not very big. I don't know actually the paths go into the wood. I'm going to try, but I don't think it is. I think it's just this area. Lovely area though. Oh, look at him, look at him. Well, actually, it's not a very big area, this at all. It seems to be all this sort of. This is the main theme round this. Like I said, I've tried to see if I can get into some woods and that, but I can't seem to find my way. So it seems like this is the only place round here. So anyway, we'll just have a little wander a bit, and then I'm going to go down the road. Down the road, there's another tourist area, which is something about an island and a lake or something. So I'm going to go down there as well. Check that out, see what it's like. Not far. And I think we'll call and get something to eat. Right, so I'm going to get on my bike and go on down to this island area and check this out, and then I've got to go and get something to eat. I ain't had no breakfast or out like that, so I'm going to call up something outside at the road and get something to eat. Maybe a 7-Eleven. Okay. So this is a little detour I've done. I'm at Chum Phae Dam now, and I just thought I'd just come over here and just check it out, and pretty good, pretty lively actually, to say it's only on a Wednesday. Very nice. It's a beautiful day. I might go and see if they've got the sky bridge ready, but I think I'm on the wrong side of the dam, to tell the truth.
Bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Welcome to Ubun Rat. Ulburatani Dam at Khon Kaen, and you can see there's a boat in there, the disco going.
The world seems small.
They'll probably be having the barbecue on that. And you've got the banana boat going over there.
It's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be.
So this is Ulburat Dam.
In the great outdoors.
This is a bit different though, isn't it?
Forever.
All down there you've got all restaurants. The water's really nice here, lovely and clear as well. The dam, it's lovely. So you go swimming in here and everything. have something to eat
to see the truth.
over there, then you just dive off into it, Dan. It's great. Look at these boats here. You can have the little party, then jump off that into it, Dan. There's a few of them actually.
You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to
I don't know what this is for. I don't know what this is for. Okay again. What's this? What's this?